if you have been struggling with oily and acne prone skin, I totally get it. But don't worry, I have got a routine after lots of trial and errors which is approved by my dermatologist, which works like magic for all my acne girlies. So today, let's be real. No makeup, no filter, just bare skin and a good acne prone routine. Is my skin now, no filter, no makeup, very real. It's in the healing procedure and touch wood doing very well. These are all my holy grail products which helped me heal my skin, control my breakouts and prevent oil. There's also a bonus tip at the end, so wait for that part and let me know in the comment section if it works for you or not. So let's dive in. Okay, first things first, we always start our routine with a gentle cleanser or a face wash, but I am going to advise you something very different. We need to use a soap in our initial first month of treating the acne. Yes, you heard me right. A benzoyl peroxide soap or a salicylic acid soap works really well, and I am not saying this on my own. It has been approved by my dermatologist, you guys, because see, it has three benefits. Firstly, when you have acne, you have infection of a bacteria which is known as Cutibacterium acnes. The soap helps in preventing that. Then it also prevents your oil production. It reduces your oil production, which in turn helps in unclogging of your pores. Use this for 1 month and you'll see the difference yourself. Now, after using this for 1 month, you'll see a difference in your skin, that the breakouts have been reduced. Then after that, you can switch to a gentle cleanser, which is a mild face wash. I'll recommend you with two options. Firstly is this AHA Glow face wash, which is very important. It contains glycolic acid, potassium hydroxide and aloe vera, which is important for healing of your skin. And second is this Gluxy face wash, which contains vitamin E, vitamin C. So again, very important for your skin. They both contain glutathione, which is important in rejuvenating your skin. So this is the first step. And with face care, you also need to take care of your body, because in no time you have problems like back acne, you have acne on your hands, on your forearms. So for that, again, I would suggest you using the same benzoyl peroxide soap, because it will also help in preventing the bacterial infection there. The second step of our routine is obviously moisturizing our skin, but again, a very different concept. See, you need to moisturize only when you're using your soap. Okay, because the soap is very harsh on your face, it might end up stripping your skin and your skin might feel really dry, your lips might feel really chappy. So at that time, you can use this clindamycin phosphate lotion, which is by A Clear CN lotion, that is its name. You might use it. It is really gentle. It prevents breakouts. Then it also reduces inflammation, which is the most important step in healing acne. So yeah, that's about it. And if you want a second alternative, if your skin feels really dry, if you cannot bear it anymore, you have this Aquasoft Advanced Facial Cream. It also contains vitamin E, which is again very important. It improves your skin's natural radiance. जब आप initial 1 month में soap use कर रहे हो, that is the time you need to use the moisturizer. But then for later 1.5 months, when you are not using your soap, you're using your face wash, you need to skip on the moisturizer part, you guys. And I am not even joking. And आप जब इस फेस वॉश को यूज़ करना स्टार्ट करोगे ना, यू माइट नॉट इवन फील द नीड कि आपको एक मॉइस्चराइजर की ज़रूरत है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट आफ्टर मॉइस्चराइजिंग इन इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सनस्क्रीन, राइट? सो माई डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हैज़ आस्क्ड मी to skip sunscreen as well as moisturizer. And the major reason of this is जब आपको acne हो रहे होते हैं, जब आपको pimples हो रहे होते हैं, your skin is really sensitive and it reacts to each and every product that you use. And sunscreen is a very sensitive product that might really work very well for your skin, but at the same time cause many breakouts for your skin. But if you want to use it, sunscreen recommendation for you all would be this UV Docs SPF 50 PA+++. And yeah, it's really nice. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen, so it will work for you really well. But my advice would be, जब तक आपका skin sensitive है, try avoid using as many products as you can. Like, stick to your single step routine, double step routine, but do not go beyond that. But because your skin will react, और अगर आप चाहते हो लाइक फर्स्ट मेक योर स्किन हेल्दी एंड देन आप एडिशनल चीज़ों के बारे में सोचो. Do not listen to the influencers who are saying using sunscreen is very important. Without sunscreen your skin will have breakouts and all. No, trust me guys, I am a medical student and I am telling you using sunscreen is not that important if you have a acne prone skin. The first step is making your skin healthy and clearing out your acne. After that you can use the sunscreen. And for sunscreens, please do not go for the comedogenic products that might clog your pores. This is the best sunscreen recommendation that I can give you. It works wonders and magic for acne prone girlies. Talking about the benefits of this sunscreen, it is non-greasy, it does not clog your pores, it does not leave a white cast, and it gives you a very matte finish. And प्लीज़ टू एवरीबडी सेइंग आपको 2 पूरे फिंगर्स भर के सनस्क्रीन लगाना है, does not work like that guys. Even if you apply this much of sunscreen, it is enough because it is SPF 50 PA+++. It is enough for your skin. उतना लगा के आप आपकी स्किन को ग्रीसी बना रहे हो, which might cause acne breakout, so don't do that. For the night time routine, I would advise you guys to use this benzoyl peroxide 2.5% WYV solution. You might call this a moisturizer, a lotion or a serum, up to you, but you use this after washing your face and just sleep with it. The single skincare routine that you need is this benzoyl peroxide lotion. It works like magic. It makes your skin so smooth and so soft the next morning, and you do realize that your skin is becoming healthier day by day. Now the alternative for this is using the combination of these two products. One is our 2% salicylic acid and then we have 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. This combination works really like magic. The brands that I use is salicylic acid from Minimalist. I hope you can see that. And then we use this zinc peroxide and niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. These work both magically on your skin. They make your skin so soft, they make your skin healthy. Moreover, the most important thing is they will help in reducing your acne marks. Like जो दाग पड़ जाता है आपके चेहरे पे after you have acne, they really help in reducing that. Now all the next things which I am going to tell you will be according to your situations. Like if you have emergency next morning and you have acne on your face, you definitely need a spot corrector or acne spot treatment. For this you can use this clindamycin phosphate tube. You can see how much I have used it because obviously I need to shoot sometimes and I cannot shoot with very big acne on my face. So yeah, I use this as spot corrector and works again like magic for me. Next thing is for people who have back acne and acne on their forearms or arms. The treatment what I would suggest would be firstly using this soap for washing your body, like the benzoyl peroxide soap. After that you need to apply 2 creams. One cream should be applied in the morning and then the second cream should be applied in the night. These are the 2 creams, again benzoyl peroxide and clindamycin phosphate. Trust me guys, the only 5 products, that the 5 ingredients that you need in your acne skin routine is benzoyl peroxide, clindamycin, niacinamide, salicylic acid and a gentle sunscreen which contains SPF 50 PA+++. These are the only 5 things that you need in your acne skincare routine. Other than that आपको कुछ और यूज़ करने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. If people are saying 10 step routine, 11 steps routine, 8 steps routine, you do not need that at all. Stick to your 1 step 2 step routine and you will see a difference on your skin. आपकी स्किन ऑलरेडी काफ़ी ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होती है एंड उसमें उसको और 15-20 चीज़ें लगा के आप और अग्रवेट कर देते हो उस चीज़ को. सो स्टॉप डूइंग दैट एंड स्टिक टू योर रूटीन. स्टिक टू थिंग्स विच work for you. If these face wash or these serums do not work for you, please let me know in the comment section. Abhi I have given a skincare routine for oily acne prone skin, but if you want me to make it for a dry acne prone skin from a medical point of view, please let me know that in the comment section down below. And as I promised, in the end there will be a bonus additional tip for you guys, is this magical thing. See, this is the thing that we do not pay a lot of attention to. It is the ketoconazole zinc pyrithione lotion which is used as a shampoo. You guys, हम जनरली क्या करते हैं ना, हम हमारे स्किन केयर रूटीन में इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं दैट वी डू नॉट रिमेंबर कि एक्ने can also be caused if our scalp is not healthy. आपको यहाँ forehead पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा breakouts हो सकते हैं. I have had it initially when I was using different shampoos from the market and different conditioners for my hair, but you do not need that. It's unnecessary. आपको उन चीज़ों की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. You just need to add this one thing in your acne skincare routine, which is our ketoconazole shampoo. And okay, so basically how does ketoconazole work? Ketoconazole is an antifungal drug. It kills a fungus which is known as Malaise furfur, which is the causative agent of seborrheic dermatitis, which is our dandruff. And to reduce that, we need ketoconazole in our routine. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want me to continue making these videos, please let me know in the comment section. Till that, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep going, keep growing. Bye.